ailing humanity right now. Thank you very much. Long live CCDCI, long live medical profession. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. And the next to whom I will call upon the dais is none other than Dr. B.B. Thakur, sir. He is par excellent teacher, organizer, motivational speaker, guide, and philanthropist. He has many faces. And above all, he had laid down the bylaws for this society also. So I will request Dr. B.B. Thakur, sir, to give your blessing and your insight to this society, sir. Dr. B.B. Thakur, sir.
Good afternoon, friends. I am delighted to be present. Dr. D.P. Khaitan, National President of API, I am honored to be his teacher. Dr. Kamlesh Tiwari, Dr. D.P. Khaitan, National President of CCDS, my very dear student. Dr. Kamlesh Tiwari, again my student and National President of API. Dr. Bansi Sabu, a very good friend, a very good organizer, as you have already told, and as a president of RSDDI, is doing commendable job. Incoming poetic president of CCDS, Dr. Lohani, and outgoing NK, they are also very dear to me. They have done commendable job. NK has led a path-breaking step in the history of CME program during COVID. My very dear friend and younger brother and colleague, Dr. A.N. Rai, with whom I have been associated with 3 decades. And I'm a witness to, as Dr. Tiwari told, I'm a witness to the conception to birth of CCDSI, but possibly Dr. Rai and God did not want me very seriously that I should be attending any real meeting. So I have never been fortunate to attend any of such meeting. Then Dr. Mrityunjay, the National Secretary General of CCDSI, Dr. Virmani, the dynamic person, with whom again I think I'm connected for last 3 decades. A very good person, a very good orator, a very good colleague, a very good human being that he is. And the scientific program that he has drafted speaks volume of it. Then Dr. Arya, outgoing secretary, Dr. Abhishek, incoming secretary, and Dr. Panda, I could see him, Panda there, Dr. and all my friends whom I am able to name or I am not able to name, I welcome you all. I bring greetings from API Bihar and the branches of CCDSI in Bihar. I pay homage to all those Corona warriors whom we have lost. None of us can say that either a family member or a friend or a colleague or a relation has not left the world during this COVID time. I express my deep sense of gratitude, thanks, and I feel honored for being invited to attend this meeting and learn a lot from the different erudite speakers. I attended the meeting yesterday for a few talks. I will not go into the details of Corona, the devastations that it has produced in education, in medical field, in education, and in exposing the paucity of human being. In spite of so much of development in science and technology, it has exposed our weaknesses. But I will definitely like to express one thing, that is post-COVID. I would like to remind, yesterday NK was the witness, and the question was put, when should we start exercise, etc., etc., in the post-COVID period? Friends, it's very difficult to say whether you should come back to normalcy in 3 months or in 6 months, that we do not know. The patient post-COVID disease or post-COVID syndrome or long COVID, whatever you call it, is a big problem, a big challenge that is going to come for time to come. Most of them have this or that problem that we are well aware of. And at least I know of one of my colleague's husband who was also a doctor. He lost his life. Now I guess because he was declared normal too early and he started some or sort of activities too early. So for I request you all to please take care of this and be a little miser in advising people to go back to normal. And as yesterday we had discussed that you are starting to go for, say, pranayam, that too of a Munger type, and light yoga, and then subsequently a rehabilitation of respiratory system. And then with the consent of the doctor, looking to your health otherwise, you can go back to normalcy, and that we should always practice, because many times you will find that the patient is saying, I'm getting chest pain, I'm getting palpitation, I'm not having sleep, I'm not having this, I'm not having that. So that care has to be taken. Friends, our medical science is going through a big turmoil on different scores. Without going into the details, I will. I liked the talk of our incoming president, Dr. Lohani, and Dr. Sabu and Dr. Kamlesh Tiwari, what we should do and how we should do. Are we united? No. We are not united. We are not united as a different organization. Are we all members of IMA? No, we are not. We are nearly 6 to 7 lakh doctors in the country. If I correctly know, I may be corrected if I am wrong. But there are 2 to 3 lakhs members of IMA only. Are we connected to super specialists? No, we are not. The super specialists themselves feel that they are Superman and they represent everybody. Many of you must have felt it, must have even felt humiliated that the government or the news channels, they have been taking interview not of internist friends, not those persons who have been managing COVID, but those persons who are so-called super specialists and big persons. So we are not united. So I'm going to propose this evening, we have a meeting, rightly Dr. Bansi told that we are going to have a meeting of Delhi this evening. I, with your permission and with your consent, I'm going to propose that we should have a united body other than different associations, of which the presidents of all associations should sit together and they should decide the future health strategy of the country. Because, say for example, the current turmoil which is going on, how many presidents of different have come out for it? It need not react in a very big way, because मेरे भाषा में कहा जाता है हाथी चले हजार, हाथी चले बाजार, कौन कौन भूखे हजार. So I will not go into details of that, but we are divided house. Friends, unfortunately, I will say I mean it, and I sincerely mean it, that unfortunately medicine is thought to be not only science and technology. It's a blend of, thought to be, blend of science, technology, moral, social, and ethical values. The doctors are gods. So that ethical, moral values are with us only. Is it not true for others also? So that is $1 million question that I will like to put you. A doctor is expected to deliver comprehensive health care. He should cure the patients. He should prevent the disease. And he should be a socially active person. And he should be a friend, philosopher, guide. Till when? Till the patients get well. Atrocities against the doctors is not a new thing, friends. You all must have read the history of medicine. And the kings used to cut the head, chop off the heads of the doctors in the medieval period also. Then, with the development of four mushroom growth, I will say, with the development of science and technology, it's very good. In medicine branch also it has developed, but it has brought great problem for the doctors, great problem for the society. So number one, Bansi may be smiling, कि सर क्या बात बोल रहा है, ये problem कैसे कर दिया. Bansi, I will explain. The development of science and technology in medicine, aided by WhatsApp and Google University, aided by mushroom growth of corporate hospitals, making the medical treatment costly. It has made the treatment costly. And once the cost has increased, then the patient-doctor relationship has deteriorated. That is one of the greatest reasons. Friends, the doctors are nowadays, I mean, in the past, you were treated as, in our medical branch, the most important thing is trust, confidence, dependence, samarpan. And that used to be, and that is still today. But nowadays, what is happening? From semi-god to butcher, to semi-god, from semi-god or next to God to cheater, looter, and whatnot. So these corporate hospitals are also playing havoc with our doctors. They have increased the cost tremendously, and the doctors are blame-minded. The owners are the, what you call, जो वो पीछे से गाना गाता है, backdoor singer, or you can call playback. Yes, they are playback singers. they get money, but they do not show themselves. So friends, that is one point that I will like you to ponder over. And this is a ethical dilemma also. Yes, there are a lot of CPA, the Doctors Protection Act, फलान चिलान, a lot of things are coming. फलान चिलान से याद आया, इनके का बहुत याद आ गया कि बीच बीच में वो एक आध हिंदी शब्द भी बोल दिया करता है, तो अच्छा लगता है कि हम बिहारी हैं. So a lot of acts are coming. Why these acts? And why are you that? Are you the most dishonest person in the society? That is what is perceived nowadays. All politicians, all bureaucrats, every public is honest. Only the doctors are cheaters, looters, and dishonest. Doctors are the best service givers. Even if all doctors examine 2 patients free per day, which we normally do. Somebody contacted me yesterday for some consultation, and I found that he needs better care from a tertiary hospital. I told you, send me your pay phone number for Chilam. I will send back your fee because I give teleconsultation. So if you, even 2 persons you are examining free, then you are examining million patients in every day. 5 lakhs doctors multiplied by 2 is 10 lakhs is 1 billion. Still, then my question to you all is why it is happening? Because you are divided. Because Anil Birmani will talk against NK, which he normally doesn't, but he may talk. And NK will talk against Anil Birmani. We never say like Dr. B. Prasad of RMCH. इलाज तो ठीक ही चला रहे थे डॉक्टर साहब, मेरे यहाँ क्यों आ रहे, उनके यहाँ जाइए. We will change the brand. So number 1, we are not together. Number 2, we don't have public doctor relationship proper. We don't have meetings. I tell you, friends, when I was president of API, I had a meeting of Bansi, please note, we had a meeting of pharmaceuticals with us. How best can pharmaceutical cooperate in mitigating the suffering of the society? So on the one hand, we are busy within ourselves. On the other hand, we are talking against our colleagues. On the third hand, we don't say to the public, mind it, sirs, these are the facilities given to us. And within the limits of these facilities, we are working for you. We are doing tremendous job. Is it wise? Is it worth that all super spreaders, please excuse me, all super spreaders of COVID, by doing rallies, by doing meetings, by doing Vijay Julus, by doing Falan, by doing Chilan, by allowing this, allowing that, these super spreaders are projecting themselves as super savers. And the super savers who have died also, nobody is coming out, friends. Nobody is with you. Don't feel that the government is with you. No, 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 no. And all leaders of your community, I mean doctor community, who occupy high position in the government or even in your different associations, except barring Bansi, they try to get some high position in the government, they are delighted to be called in Mann Ki Baat. They are delighted. They are delighted that the Prime Minister has called, the same Prime Minister who is the super spreader of COVID. So friends, let us join hands. Let's be very clear. Let's be very clear for our relationship with the public. Ultimately, it is you and me. No media is with us here. What to talk of politicians? Many of you might have come to know about one of the statements made by one of the MLAs of UP. Did any neta come out against him? Did any paper, did any? But at the same time, I will say the medical science depends on science, technology, moral, ethical, and social values. Are we following Hippocratic oaths? Are we ethical? A collaborative approach has to be taken. Rightly pointed out by Dr. Kamlesh Tiwari ji that we should go for the clinical medicine, which is not possible in the current time. Which is not possible in the current time, because I will suggest you all, as I am practicing, teleconsultation and don't expose yourself. So, sirs, what final message I want to give to you, that please respect your colleague. And please, for God's sake, don't talk anything against your colleague. And then have a collaborative approach with your colleague. I tell you honestly, I'm not talking of today. Even 2 decades ago, I used to go to Dhanbad and I used to go to Jamshedpur and Ranchi. And I tell you, I have told it at many places that the attendance in scientific meeting and the collaborative attitude at these 3 places were par excellence. And you will be glad to know that in one single day, I visited Dhanbad, Bokaro, Jamshedpur, and Ranchi. And at 8 p.m., I got into the 9:30 p.m. I got it in the car with Dr. Ajay Kumar and came next morning to Patna. I have been a frequent visitor of Gaya, and there also I found it. So, sir, have a collaborative attitude. And in every meeting, I did not advise to Dr. Birmani because it was this type of meeting, I mean virtual meeting, but in every meeting we should have, and that we already practiced in the past. We have in real meetings a public meeting for the prevention of diseases. Then we must come out with our limitations, with what limited facilities you have to work. And then we must have the courage, the feeling in our heart that we are par excellent people on all scores. Why is our son-like person is the DM, and then we say we bow down to him? Friends, it pains me. It pains me when I come to understand and know all these things. And they are, I mean, a statement is being, you see, thrown on WhatsApp regarding honesty, in which many things of all category of persons, including even rickshawala. If you ask the rickshawala in emergency, he will say he will just triple 4 times charges. Still, he is honest. Everybody is against doctor. Why? Number one, you have also to identify the dirty fish in yourself, in your group. And you have to have courage to say that you are a dirty fish and you correct yourself. Once Mr. Potedar, the Union Health Minister, asked me, you are talking all against the government. What is the remedy? I said, it's very simple. I was going to be suspended for that utterances during Kalazar time in 1992. I said there are only two ways. What is that? Give me the facilities and use sticks against us. So, sir, use sticks against you, yourself. You look to your conscience, you look within yourself. Your soul doesn't allow you to do anything wrong. So you ask your soul, somebody asked me this morning, sir, what should I do? And that was regarding, by the way, election. I said, talk to your heart, talk to your mind, and talk to God, talk to Balaji. And they all three will give you opinion. So friends, if we follow Hippocratic oath, there is no need of CPA, this and that. Last not the least, we must now know all the legal formalities if we want to be free from the litigations, etc. So tell your limitations, realize your limitations, inform your limitations, tell to the government. Let us have the courage to tell to the government, Bagar, you have not given me the facilities, so we don't work. Sir, collectively you are very strong. Unitedly you are very strong. But if you are separated, then you have no unity. So be united. I'm already somebody, I don't know, it's not being shown, but it is written there, 80. So I had all these things in my past, and what I have told you, I actually practiced it. MLAs, I asked them to wait till I finish my job because I learned it from my teacher. So friends, recognize your strength. There is no all India medical service. Why? Engineering service, this service, that service. Why not yours? You have not been demanding. So let us unite, let's demand, let's inform, and let's try to do our job as per the Hippocratic oath. Partnership, not dictatorial, not parental. Nowadays, the treatment has to be a patient-doctor partnership. And if we do that, we cannot have any litigations against us. And then if you use our conscience and heart, we will not be targeted as you are being targeted. I thank you all, and I express my gratitude to you all for having asked me to be here, and thank Birmani for having a brilliant scientific talk in association with NK and my student. I'm proud of him, and I'm proud of Pansi also. Every week he's doing the scientific program, and Panda is also doing commendable job, and all my friends. I'm sorry, I might have taken a little more time, but I became emotional. Thank God. Stay safe, healthy, and happy, and encourage everybody in your family at least to family friends. I'm not concerned with the mass because mass is not concerned with me. No, nobody